Investor Turf has recently called for regulators to conduct an investigation into tokenized securities, reigniting a long-standing debate in the financial world. The impetus behind this push for investigation can be traced back to an old video featuring Brett Harrison, the former head of FTX US, where he discussed the concept of tokenized securities and made a significant claim. Harrison's statement in the video was that for every GameStop token in circulation, there is a corresponding GME share held within the broker-dealer. This essentially confirms a one-to-one ratio between these tokenized securities and the underlying stocks. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads, and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert: this is not a financial advice video. So why is there a renewed call for an investigation into tokenized securities? To fully grasp the significance of this, it's crucial to understand Brett Harrison's professional journey. Harrison had been working at Citadel from September 2019 to May 2021. It's worth noting that AMC experienced a significant surge in its stock price at the end of May and early June in 2021, a period when Citadel seemingly urged Harrison to join FTX, effectively redirecting his career path. This is where the intrigue begins. In May 2021, Brett Harrison became a part of the FTX team, and it's essential to acknowledge the timing of events. Just a month later, in June 2021, AMC's stock price skyrocketed to $72. It's during this time that Harrison disclosed in an interview that FTX was selling tokens that were purportedly backed one-to-one with shares. This revelation has raised questions about the accuracy of the information provided to the public. So, were FTX and other platforms manipulating the prices of AMC and GameStop through synthetic shares? The answer, as many are suggesting, is a resounding yes. It appears that they were involved in manipulating the market using fake tokenized shares. There were websites openly selling tokens with a maximum supply exceeding the actual float of the respective security. This is where the problem arises. Popular trading platforms like Webull, Moomoo, E-Trade, Fidelity, and TD Ameritrade, which claim to have tokenized securities backed one-to-one, now come under scrutiny. If Brett Harrison's assertion is accurate, these tokenized securities should have a direct correlation with real stocks. The implication is that you could theoretically short these tokenized shares with an unlimited supply. This is in stark contrast to the limited availability of shares for shorting that existed in 2021 during the AMC surge. With the introduction of tokenized securities backed one-to-one but not tied to actual shares, brokers became aware that there were more shares available for shorting than previously believed. The result is an increased risk associated with shorting these shares. Brokers could end up lending out more shares than the actual float of a company, such as the case of AMC with its 8 quadrillion tokenized shares. To delve deeper into the matter, let's take a closer look at Brett Harrison's background. He served as the head of semi-systematic technology at Citadel Securities, where he managed various technology groups, including options, ETFs, ADRs, and OTC. His career history also includes positions as a senior software developer at Headlands Technologies LC, where he worked on quantitative trading strategies. Harrison was the head of trading systems technology at Jane Street, where he played a pivotal role in algorithmic trading system development. His academic qualifications include degrees from Harvard, a testament to his expertise. Harrison's involvement in various sectors and his subsequent move to FTX have far-reaching implications. The sheer volume of tokens issued could potentially impact thousands of stock tickers, affecting multiple brokerages, institutions, funds, and short sellers who might have shorted shares beyond their respective floats. This scenario gives rise to substantial systemic risk, effectively resembling a Ponzi scheme. The video featuring Brett Harrison provides a glimpse into the world of collateralized tokens. He explains that for every GMV token, there's an equivalent GME share held by a German broker-dealer. These tokens can be traded without altering the location of the underlying stock. The option to convert these tokens to shares is also available, allowing the broker-dealer to facilitate the transfer of stock as needed. Now, the question that looms large is whether Citadel intentionally directed an expert with extensive knowledge in multiple sectors, like Brett Harrison, to FTX as a way to extricate themselves from AMC and GameStop. Before we conclude, please check out a video I recently posted, which provides a comprehensive update on the past week's market events. I also offer my price predictions for AMC, GameStop, the S&P 500, and share insights on other aspects of the financial landscape. It's an important video you don't want to miss. And lastly, let's not forget my feline friend who decided to grace us with their presence during this video. While I may be talking about them, they can be quite the character, making appearances whenever they please. As we approach the weekend, you might be wondering where to invest $50 that isn't related to a short squeeze play. While $50 might not yield substantial returns, there are still opportunities worth exploring. If you have any stock recommendations or insights into potential short-term movers, for those looking to make informed decisions, keep an eye on how Bitcoin performs over the weekend, as it can often provide clues about the direction of the stock market. Bitcoin's recent performance suggests a potential upward trend, which could bode well for the broader market. In this context, stocks like Riot and Marathon Digital Holdings Mara are worth considering for the upcoming week, as they appear to have good prospects. In fact, I hold positions in both Riot and Mara, and they have piqued my interest for the near future. So, if a friend were to ask you for a stock recommendation to invest $50 in, what would you suggest? Of course, AMC might come to mind, but if they're looking for a short-term play, what stock would you advise them to consider? Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.